What are you guys doing?
We're to the woods.
Careful, that's a cactus. Don't touch it.
Why?
It'll hurt you. Oh.
No, that's a ball, I think.
Yeah, you can get the ball. Just don't touch the cactus because that'll hurt you. It has sharp edges. Right, Amari?
That's for the dog. The ball, Hey! Get your ball.
Are you doing yard work?
Yeah.
You helping Brandon do yard work?
Yeah.
Help her, baby. Don't hit Savannah, though. There you go.
What is that?
Cactus. Don't touch it. It hurt.
Take it off.
It'll hurt you.
I hit.
Savannah, I want you to go this way. Go back what you were doing over here in the woods. You getting through there, baby?
Yeah.
Good boy. Go with Nana. Aww. You give Nana hugs?
We got both back. Can I hit that one? I got it. Both back.
Careful, Amari. Don't fall down. Don't hit each other.
I'm trying to hit you. That's my baby.
Get off.
I'm gonna hold my baby.
Okay.
That's my baby.
Okay.
I'm done. I'm done.
You're done.
I'm done, Amari.
Can you guys give each other a hug? You did a good job.
Look that.
No, not with that. She has to put that down. Yeah, put it down, Savannah, and give Amari a hug. You can pick it back up. Put it down on the ground.
That's my.
Yeah, give a hug. Aw, nice
Now
huggies.
hug my baby.
Aw, hug the baby, Amari.
Hug it. Hug it.
Good job, Amari. Whoa! You almost hit Mommy with the baby. Careful, wait. Savannah's going by. Okay.
My baby. Don't do my baby. Because my baby's gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. It's to be wet.
Doing housework?
Yeah, I'm doing house. The house is lonely. Gotta get to the woods.
Careful hitting each other, you guys.
Get to the woods. We gotta go that way.
Okay.
Okay? We're gonna go to that way. And I'm gonna baseball. Get to the woods, Amari. Huh? Get to the woods. What? Get to the woods. What? You'll be over there and I'll be over here. Over here? Yeah. I'm done with the work, baby.
You tell her to be careful so she doesn't fall? Oh, you said be careful of the cactus.
What cactus?
You say careful of the cactus?
Cactus. Oh, baby. Want to see Daddy? Okay, want to see you. Okay? Okay, my back. He said he wants to see you. Oh, this baby wants to see you. Thank you.
Where's your bat? Aww. Don't throw the baby. Uh-oh.
Baby! Oh, come and save me. Mommy got her.
So you're the mommy and Amari's the daddy? Oh, Lord.
I'm the mommy.
Who's it?
What did you do to her?
Who's the daddy?
Mommy's the daddy.
Oh, yeah.
Mommy, don't do that, baby, because the baby's gonna get hurt. Okay? Hold her. Hold the baby.
Oh, did you just hit the baby out of her hands? You gotta be nice, Amari, John. Careful, let her do that. Hold on.
It's cold and dry for me. This is my juice.
I smell a skunk.
That's my drink. I drank my drink.
You drinking your baby?
Yeah.
Why? Don't do that. Get the stick out of your mouth. That's yucky.
No, that's a stick for me to drink juice.
No, that's not juice. That's a stick and a pine cone. It's not a juice. It's yucky. Don't put that in your mouth, okay?
That's food. I'm making that food.
Okay, you can make food, but don't eat it, okay?
Hey, look at your dog. Look at your dog.
What's the dog doing?
He's trying to get up there.
Hey, dogs! Don't be playing with no skunk. Stinky. Huh, baby?
Let's go there.
What's he doing?
I'm gonna go there. And see the doggy.
No, you're not going to go up there. Your mommy will kill me.
No.
Yeah, huh?
No, she wouldn't.
No, she wouldn't?
No.
Why?
Because I will kill my mom.
No! Don't ever say that! You never kill your mommy. You love your mommy.
No.
No?
No. I told you I will kick her.
You'll kick her? I don't think so. I think you're a lot of talk.
I'm gonna kill her if you touch.
What? Don't say that. That's not nice. Say, I'm sorry, Mommy. Say, I love you. See, you're looking at the camera. Look at the camera. Say, I love you, Mommy.
I love you.
Oh! Savannah, fall? I don't know.
I don't know where he goes. He went away.
You went away?
Yeah.
Oh.
Cody! I know him. Stick up. I need stick.
What are you doing, Amari? Oh yeah, cleaning. Are you cleaning up?
Yeah, we're cleaning up the dirt.
Oh, there's Cody. You told him to come here. You told him.
Don't you come here! Don't you come here and see us!
You told him to.
No, I told him no.
You told him no.
Oh, I told him to come up here.
Oh.
Come up here, Cody. Go.
Okay, battery's running out. Say bye to the camera.
Bye, Grandma.
Camera. Hey, bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye.